What is vocal compression? How to use it and what benefits it can give you. Let's talk about this today. Vocal compression is all about compressing the air underneath your vocal cords so that there is pressure beneath them. But it doesn't mean that you simply blow a lot of air and you close the vocal cords forcefully and try to keep the air from escaping. You actually use your whole support mechanism, your diaphragm, your whole body basically here, to hold the air in. You hold the air in and you create this pressure beneath the vocal cords. And that allows you to not only move higher in your range, but to sound powerful and loud and resonant. And it also allows you to do stuff like distortion, grit, screams, and all that stuff. If you were to try to go higher into your range without using vocal compression, what you would find is that you have to yell, ah, and that there's a ceiling that you cannot go through after a certain point. But if you use vocal compression, suddenly the limitation just vanishes. Your voice can be firm and solid without yelling. You know, this really feels like nothing. I am overdoing it a little bit for the purpose of this video. You don't have to put that much vocal compression all the time into your singing, but I'm trying to demonstrate it here. So then when you're singing or you're doing your exercises, it's all about your breath support and it's all about good and firm chord closure. But they have to work together. You can't just rely on one. You know, if you have good vocal cord closure, your vocal cords cannot withstand the breath pressure if you simply breathe out a lot of air. So you have to work with your support mechanism to create this pressure here, but not too much. Try to keep the air in your body and close the vocal cords around a gentle flow of air. Vocal compression can allow you to sing high, powerful, and resonant without any yelling. This really feels like nothing because I'm trying to keep the air in, build this very nice pressure here, and close my vocal cords firmly around a very gentle flow of air. Vocal compression will allow you to sing throughout your entire range with an even tone. And if you want to do stuff like singing with rasp, distortion, and grit, you have to be able to use breath compression. So remember, don't try to be loud. Don't push a lot of air through your vocal cords. You actually want to keep the air inside of you. Build up, so you can build up pressure here underneath the vocal cords. Close your vocal cords and let very little air out. This will keep you from yelling, but you will still sound powerful and loud and solid. And you will be able to go higher into your range with a full tone. Don't go for volume. This is not about yelling, this is not about screaming. It's about good technique and about great breath support. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.